guys, so we're back here today and we are working back on this Mitsubishi 3000 GT. Here in the background is one of my really good friends, Matt. We've been friends since like second grade. Went to school in New Jersey, both moved down to Florida, found each other again, and it all began here. Now, he is here helping me straighten out the damage on the quarter panel. You guys saw it in the previous episode. I didn't even bother epoxy priming that because I just don't know how to fix something like that. My skills are not to that point right now. So he's the mastermind behind doing this, and we're just gonna watch him work.